Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up sales and discounts on Etsy in 2026. Do you want to boost your Etsy sales with discounts the right way? Here's exactly how to set up sales and discounts step by step. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. Before we start, in order to join the Etsy platform and become a seller there, you're gonna go to your web browser or your mobile device and go and search for Etsy. Now on your mobile device, you're just gonna download the Etsy app by the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. However, on the desktop version, you're gonna go to the Etsy.com website and make sure you sign in with your account. Once you sign in with your account, you're gonna drop down this bar right here, and then you're gonna click on the Become a Seller option. It will be displayed right here. Once you click on it, you're gonna be directed to this Shop Manager setting. You're gonna make sure to fill in these informations about your shop preference, your shop name, your payment methods, your billing infos, and your shop security. Once you finish setting up your account, you're gonna go back and then you're gonna click on the shop manager. You're gonna open the shop manager by clicking on here. You're gonna click on the shop manager icon. Then you're gonna go to marketing. Now, once you click on the marketing tab, you're gonna select sales and discounts. Now, once you select sales and discounts, you're going to click on create a new special offer. Now, you're going to select run a sale. Then you're going to choose the percentages off. Now, you're going to see different options like run a sale, promo code, targeted offers like abandoned cart coupons. You're going to choose the discount type. Then you're going to select the percentage off, fixed amount off, or free shipping. Once you fix that or you select, you're going to customize the settings. You're going to set purchase amount, start and end date, and select which listing to include. And after that, you're going to preview and confirm. You can double check everything and activate the offer. And then you're going to short-term discounts, create urgency, and can increase conversion rates significantly. And that's how you set up sales and discounts on Etsy in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.